So today we will be replacing the front brake pads on a 92 Toyota Soarer. So first thing you're going to need is all of your assorted tools. This is probably more than I would need, but I don't like to travel very far when I'm working on the car. So first thing to do is, while the car is still down, undo the lug nuts. The next step is to jack up the car and put it on jack stands. Once the car is up on jack stands, I'm going to leave the jack under there just to help the jack stand out a little bit. Next step is to remove the wheel and then use it as a seat. Normally you would change the rotor, but being that this car is actually in Japan and being older than 14 years, parts for these cars are hard to get. So the person that owned this car before me had upgraded the brakes. So these are LS 400 Lexus front calipers in the States. Out here they are Toyota Soarer calipers from a 95 to 2000. So trying to get parts for these cars with the language barrier and everything like that is really difficult. Alright, one last minute tip on the jacking up of the car. Please ensure that your emergency brake is pulled, and that, if applicable, these Japanese cars come with a little tire stop. So chock the back tires before jacking it up, that way your car doesn't roll into traffic. Also apologize for the sound. So once you're done, go ahead and turn the car on and pump up the pedal again. Afterwards, your pedal should be stiff and you should be able to stop better and no more squeaking. Also, 1JZ GTE goodness. Alright, have a good day.